Now, the humble biscuit is a mainstay of our Indian diet. Some of us like the energy it gives us in the morning. No business meeting is complete without a little tray of biscuits, while others gobble them during the day to keep going. But as we are about to find out, it's children who could really do with more biscuits in their daily routine. Here is an enterprising company that has transformed the lowly biscuit into an affordable delivery mechanism to raise the nation's iron levels.
It's a regular day at school for these children in Bangalore. While they do their number crunching and grammar, what keeps their mind alert and active are the midday meals they're served, and in particular these fortified biscuits from Britannia that pack in a punch.
The children come in the morning, they are given a porridge which is of multiple grains like ragi and other things. Then they are served a midday meal. Then the biscuit they get as part of a snack which is used to supplement whatever they are eating in school. So it is a whole program which goes together.
While they may seem tiny, these biscuits are solving one of India's biggest problems: malnutrition in the country's children. 1 out of every 3 malnourished children in the world lives in India. Anemia, which is iron deficiency, affects 74% of children in India under the age of 3. Britannia Industries realized the role it could play in improving the nutrition levels of children and take up the cause of eradicating iron deficiency through fortified biscuits.
So the science of fortification exists. The question from our point of view was how many milligrams of iron to add in the biscuit, what form of iron to add so that it doesn't interfere with the taste and the other delivery of the biscuit. How to actually make the biscuit which is fortified with iron taste actually very good, because iron by itself has a metallic taste. So the science existed. It was the product development work, which was how do we take the science and add what we know best to do, which is make food taste good, in this case make biscuits taste good, and it was a product development effort that got us to where we are.
Britannia Industries has launched a nationwide nutrition program covering over 2,500 schools and 2 million children through iron-fortified Tiger biscuits.
And the other thing about iron is that you can measure it with a simple blood test, the level of hemoglobin and so on. So, we're talking about children with average levels of hemoglobin which are between 8.5 to 9. And, so the pediatrician helped us determine how many milligrams of iron would be required for this kind of health status or nutrition status of these children. And roughly it was about 15 to 20 milligrams of iron to be given over a period of time. We went back after 90 days, and what we found was a significant increase. And what we learned, and what is also a medical fact, now I'm not a medical person, is that the lower your hemoglobin, the greater is the impact of any intervention like this.
In this particular school in the heart of Bangalore, the difference in the energy levels of children is clearly evident, as is the enthusiasm.
टाइगर बिस्किट बहुत अच्छा है, उससे शक्ति आता है.
We find that the children who were listless earlier are very active, sprightly, more mischievous. That shows that they are developing on the right lines, and they are all very much better in studies than they were before.
Every giant leap starts with a small step, and Britannia Industries is powering ahead with its Tiger brand to make children in India healthy and fit.
We see ourselves as being a part of the solution, maybe a small part of the solution, but certainly a part of the solution. And the whole idea is that this is something which kids love, which adults like as well. And if we simply take it and make it available to them on a regular basis, they enjoy the taste, they get the benefit of the nutrients that we are adding, and it also is is satisfying.
Over the past 30 minutes, we have seen how hunger and malnutrition is very real problem in India. But the good news, we've also tried to dispel the gloom and have brought before you 3 companies that have made it their mission to ensure a healthier India. Our quest has not ended. Next week, we take up a different challenge and bring to you innovators and companies who dare to look that challenge in the face and by the help of science, laugh those challenges away. All in the quest for Shunya, the figure that inspires. If you too have an innovation that is solving or has the potential to solve some of the problems we are facing today, you can write into us at powerofshunya13@timesgroup.com. This could earn you a chance to feature on this show. Until next week, it's me, Anupam Kher, saying goodbye.
Next week on The Power of Shunya, meet companies trying to provide scientific solutions to the ailing Indian farmer. Watch how a company is bringing smart irrigation solutions that will help the farmer to grow more with less. A high-yielding variety of seed which is drought-tolerant. And a device which lets the farmer control his water pumps through his mobile phone, leading to zero water waste in his fields.